Hi everybody, today I want to show you how we repair some of the cracks in our brick. For this we ended up using this Poly-Fil Brick Fix. The first thing that you need to know is that this product is very thick, so it's not that easy to apply, and at the same time it dries extremely fast. So if you put a lot of product and it's looking messy, just try to clean it right away because it dries extremely fast, and that's why you have to clean whatever messy thing you did immediately. So this is how it looks after 5 minutes, and as you can notice, it's dry to the touch. So if you want to smooth it out after a while, it's going to look very messy. Other than that, the product was good and it helped us eliminate all the cracks that we have in the brick. In our case, we spent the entire bottle in just this small area, and the bottle was like $7, which if we want to repair the entire wall, it was going to be expensive. As a quick tip, if you have to repair a bigger area, try to use other products like the powder mortar that you have to mix with water, because that is cheaper, easier to apply, and even you can smooth it out after a while.